right now, those temperatures are settling into the low to mid 50s from Palmdale all the way through Naples. 51 there in the northern parts of Glades County, 52 in DeSoto, and you can see the upper 50s all the way down towards Marco Island. Now, compared to yesterday, we are down some 10 to 15 degrees where we were 24 hours ago. But that cold front that moved through yesterday has just bumped our temperatures back to where we should be this time of year after a couple of warm days. It's a little breezy as well, so that's why the jacket's important here to cut down on how cool it feels. And the gusts have been registering in the mid-teens at times this morning, and they will pick up 15 to 20 miles per hour coming in out of the northeast, and that will continue all evening, all afternoon, and even overnight tonight, giving us yet another chilly one tomorrow with our temperatures down a few more degrees. After only reaching 69 at Page Field yesterday, and some of you maxing out around 70, we get just a little warmer here today along the coastline, a little cooler up north where the highs will be right around 70. So 73 is not too far off our average at all. And then overnight tonight, we settle into the low to mid 50s once again. Let's look big picture. You can see a little rain showing up there in the Panhandle and what appears to be rain off our coastline. That's not reaching the surface. These clouds are going to continue to move in from the western parts of the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll see a mix of sun and clouds here throughout the day. It could look a little cloudy at times. And our rain chances as we go through Thursday are around 10, maybe 20% of a very quick isolated shower. -3 in Minneapolis. Temperatures falling here this morning. This is the first of 2 blasts of extremely cold air. We've got single digits from St. Louis, Indianapolis into Columbus, and 22 there in Nashville. And the bigger picture shows it's quiet. Not much rain or snow until you get off the coast of Texas and Louisiana. And that's the overrunning. That's the cloud cover that's going to be on and off for us here today. And as we look at a statewide view, you can see the mix of sun and clouds from I-4 all the way through the southern parts of the state. And this is going to be a very similar forecast there for your Thursday, where we'll pick up that isolated chance of a shower. All right, so this is that first big pocket of really cold air. It's going to pull out, push the jet stream down just a little bit. And Thursday night into Friday there is going to be our coldest morning. We'll fall another degree or two. Now, watch this. Late in the weekend and the early next week, a massive Arctic air mass slides in across the eastern half of the U.S., and it's going to be windy as well. We're looking at wind chill values -20 to -30 across the Midwest through the Northeast, and in time that will eventually give us a front on Sunday and some cooler air, even though the bulk of the really cold stuff is going to stay to the north. So after a couple of cool days, we're going to wrap up the work week nice. We're going to warm up there Saturday and Sunday. Sunday morning, we're going to wake up at 66, going to 78, with right now what looks to be a 50% chance of showers, maybe even a storm, and some of that wet weather could linger there through MLK Day.